Hello there. Welcome to Bunny Stories book. Today's story is about a magical mermaid, how children discover it and what she can do. Let's start the story. Splish. Splash. Cole and I threw ourselves into the cool, salt water, with many waves crashing down on the wet sand, taking rocks, shells, and seaweed with it. As the water swept the tide, it felt like we were moving too. "Hey Cole," I said. "Is that girl over there?" Cole looked closely. "That's not a girl. It's a mermaid." "Wow!" I exclaimed. We got closer to the mysterious creature, then they spoke to us. "My name is Emerson Rose. But please, call me Eam." "Who are you?" "I am Grace, and this is my cousin Cole," I replied. "We have never seen anything like you before." "You are beautiful," Cole added. "Why thank you," said the mermaid. "Do you believe in mermaids?" "Of course we do. We love mermaids." "That's amazing, because I have a special gift for the ones who truly believe in mermaids. You get to become one, and you get wish. But the wish can only be granted if it can bring goodness or joy to others." "That's incredible," I cried. Then Eam used her magic to transform me and Cole into a mermaid and a merman. We dove into the water and swam for hours. We played with Eam for a while and looked at all of the sea creatures. We saw fish, seahorses, turtles, and even an octopus. Cole and I swam around, enjoying our beautiful tails. "This is my home," Eam said proudly. "It's amazing," Cole and I said together. "Eam, you are the best mermaid ever," I said. "And the prettiest," Cole added. "Aw, you guys are so sweet. Now follow me. I have something very special to show you. This trident will grant you any wish. Remember that the wish will only be granted if it brings goodness or joy to others. You only get one chance. Make the wish count." "Let's go back up to shore," Eam said. As soon as our heads popped up from the water, a pirate ship floated right next to us. "Pirate Tate!" Eam cried, frightened. "I will get you, Eam!" Pirate Tate shouted. He tossed a net over Eam. "Oh no! Eam got caught!" I cried. Cole grabbed the trident. "We have to save Eam. We wish that our friend Eam will be set free." Suddenly, the net snapped. "We saved Eam, you saved my life. Thank you so much." Eam hugged me and Cole. "We couldn't let him capture you," Cole said. "Arr! I almost had you." No. 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 "We had the best day ever, but I think we have to head back home," said Cole. "Oh," Eam said, disappointed. "But please, come back and visit me soon." "We will. We promise." Eam waved to us. "Bye," she called. "Goodbye," Cole and I shouted back. Then Eam dove back into the ocean.